And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 239. Let me show the Texturizer filter. You can find it in the texture folder. We zoom out a little bit and you can already see this is basically just a texture that's blended on top. You can also find it in the dropdown where it's alphabetically sorted. The texture dropdown has 4 options, and this is the basic style of the texture that's applied. So you can use brick, burlap, sandstone and canvas by default active. And then we have a light direction yet again. So there are all 8 directions, top, bottom, left, right, and then the corner ones. And you can invert it below. The scale will adjust how big this texture will be. And relief is, you could almost say, the intensity. You want to keep that fairly low or you're going to get very abstract results. And this goes for almost all textures and scales. As always, don't forget to confirm via OK. And this is how you can use the Texturizer filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.